Okay, welcome to a new video where this is Fi and I'm just a human. Alright, so last week I did not have any internet at all, so I couldn't really work on anything that I wanted to work on. But this week I now have the new servos, so and I also have internet, so I will work on the neck. And when that is stabilized, we can actually do some interesting programming, like target mode and stuff like that. So that will be fun. So yeah, hopefully my internet won't die this week. Okay, so first we have to see if the servo, if these attachers can fit the servo. So let's check that. Okay, so it seems like they can fit pretty well. I did, however, have a little bit of a problem putting it on, so because of this little thing here, so I might have to think about that a little bit more. And then we have this, which is going to be for, let's see here. Here it is. This. Okay, so yeah, it seems to be seems to fit. I'm just gonna test the screws, and screws is fitting nicely. So great. Right, I also have to try the screws on this one. Let's do that. Okay, so these screws work as well. It's a little bit bent, but I don't think that's a problem. Yeah, all right. So I think we're pretty much good to go. I should probably think about being able to push this in. Maybe I should like remove this side thing so I can just push it in like that. Yeah, this might be a good idea. Right. So I'm gonna adjust these two so they can fit the servos now, and then I'm gonna start working on the ball bearing. Okay, so I am just finished with making the CAD models. So I just started printing, and so the prints should be done in like 1 day or something. So what I did was I was thinking about, I tried first to just put like 2 of the stronger servos down here, but that just got too wide for the neck, so it wouldn't fit like the model later. So then I thought about, what if I just changed this this axis with let's see here, this axis here. So I switched places on those, but sadly that's also still too wide. So what I did was that I made it so I'm just using 1 micro servo and 1 standard servo. So it should still be twice as strong as before, but we'll see if it works. Anyways, see you later. Okay, so the prints are almost done. We only have 1 left. And then we can upgrade the neck. Alright, the 3D print is finished and I installed everything. It took some work, but everything is in place now, except this little thing that should be attached down there somewhere. But yeah, so you can see here that the old neck that is here is a little bit smaller than the previous one, so than the new one. So the new one is a little bit bigger, but it's still gonna fit as the neck, because this part is going to be down in where the chest is. So that's great. I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, so testing the y-axis. Yeah, as you can see, well, this part worked before, so that's not a problem. Still a bit jittery, but actually the new servos have smaller angles, so I should probably be able to make this movement a lot smoother. Now this is just manual movement, so this is quite jittery. And then we have on the x-axis. So here it had problem before to carry up the whole head, but now it can move perfectly. Everything wobbles, as you can see, but that's just because it doesn't have any weights down there right now. And then we have, oops, this kind of movement. Yeah, I'm moving it manually, that's why it's so jittery. Yeah, but that's it, and everything else works as before.